So we touched on this yesterday towards the end of class, and this is one of the things you'll need to do this week. So is write the limit definition of the derivative. Don't evaluate it, just write it. I will actually kind of work through the entire thing so we have this. So this is, I want the derivative of that. You know what that is, because we've been doing that since last week, at x equals 4. So if I did the limit definition, I would write the limit as h approaches 0, and then I have my difference quotient. So I would go f of 4 plus h. The 4 came from here, minus f of 4 all over h. Now we can evaluate this. So f of 4 plus h is negative 4 plus h squared plus 4 plus h minus 3. Now we just need to work this out a little bit. So that is going to be negative 4 squared plus 2 times 4 times h plus h squared plus 4 plus h minus 3. And we could do one more step. That would end up being negative 16 minus 8h minus h squared plus 4 plus h minus 3. So what I can do then is I can kind of combine some of these things together in my difference quotient. So I can combine this stuff here. Negative 16 plus 4 minus 3 would be negative 15. Minus 8h plus an h is minus 7h. And then I still have a minus h squared. And now I still need to subtract off f of 4. And f of 4 would be negative 16 plus 4 minus 3, which would be negative a minus 15. All of that is over h. So what's going to happen is that term is going to get canceled out by that term. And so I have negative 7h minus h squared all over h. And as h goes, well, first off, before I do h goes to 0, what's going to happen is that this and that and one of those h squareds will cancel each other out. And then as h goes to 0, what I am left with is this negative 7. So the limit as h goes to 0 turns out to be negative 7. Now you guys know this. You guys know this because we know what the derivative is. You've been doing this since last week. So the derivative of this is negative 2x plus 1. And when I plug in 4 for this, when I plug in 4 up there, that's going to be negative 8 plus 1, which is negative 7. So it does work out.